All right, Empire family, today we're in Dallas, Texas. I'm gonna be taking you through a full home audio system powered by Sonos. What do we have? We got 2 Arcs, we got 2 Era 300s, we got a Play 5, a Sonos Beam Gen 2, we got a Sub Mini, and a Sub Gen 3. This is an 85-inch Samsung. Jay, give me the model number one more time. QN90C, 85-inch, going above this wall in a full motion mount. We're gonna take you through the entire setup. Eric, we have to relocate power. We gotta set up the system. We gotta program it. Stay tuned. That is a good looking soundbar. 49 minutes and 22 seconds now is just for cable management. ARC is gonna be getting set up shortly. Once you actually have the Sonos app set up, you just go device by device and add them into the system. In a little bit, we'll show you how you can merge them, control it, how the user interface actually works. But the TV's up. I'll show you what it looks like in a second. This is the most satisfying thing about installing the TV. Boom, TV's up, soundbar is installed. The soundbar, it's the ARC for a reason. This is installed, let me turn this down for a second. It's installed to the audio return channel of all the televisions. So with the remote from your television, you can actually control the volume of the soundbar. Not only that, it's currently being added to his app. And in a second, Jared is gonna show you how the Sonos user interface is linked up. Right now, we just have 2 devices. It is gonna have a lot of Play 5 and some additional soundbars, but today we're gonna focus on this one. He'll show you how it works.
All right, so right now, as you can see, it is on patio TV. That is your Sonos Arc. If you want to switch rooms, you're gonna hit this middle button right here. You'll see your bedroom and then your patio TV. Once you get more devices, you'll see all of them down right here. And if you hit this button, if you wanted to, you can group them together and have them playing the same thing, or you can separate it. And you can even control the volume of each one when they're grouped together as well. That way you're not cutting up all the devices' volume at the same time. All right, so let's ungroup that back together. So now we're on patio TV. You're gonna hit that button right there that has the music icon, and you can see all the sources that you wanna have on here. All right, right now we just have Sonos radio and the TV's audio, but we can go to our settings, and from there we can add all your music services that you wanna add. So you can add Apple Music, Pandora, Spotify, all those things right there, all in the settings.
It's a simple system, it's easy to use. Outside of a single room setup, you can always add as many plays as you need. If your home isn't pre-wired for speakers, if your home isn't set up for us to wire some speakers, Sonos is a great route. We love them, we sell a bunch of them, and this is a great example of them. We will only be able to set up 2, but just wanted to give you a rundown of how Sonos works.
There it is.
All right, as you can see, we still have a lot more work to do, but that's a wrap for this video. First, I want to thank you for joining me today. We appreciate you being here. We appreciate your support. We appreciate you subscribing. Like always, don't forget to look, listen, and live with Empire V. We're here to help. Anything as simple as a TV installation with a soundbar system, or have you seen all of our other videos, home automation, lighting control, Josh AI, whatever you need, we're here to help. Thank you. Have yourself an awesome day.